G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's February 20, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. We haven't done this since our last update here on this vertical line on the 6th of February. The reason for that is it's been consolidating between this support resistance area on the daily, and it's just been bouncing in that area for some time, and it's currently in the midpoint there. Although it is tracking and following this diagonal descending trend line still. So, and notice on the Stochastic it's broken down through the oversold, so we may see some bounce possibly, although the CCI is still in a fairly strong downtrend in line with the price action. On the 4-hour chart, it's been again within this consolidation area. The Stochastic and the CCI have been sort of running flat, and on the hourly likewise it's been fairly flat, although it's starting to make a bit of a downturn more recently in the last few hours, so potentially more of a downturn, although in the short term we may see a bit of a retrace to the upside, bounce off this diagonal trend line, so we may see a bit of a retrace to the upside before declining further. So again, we need to see a break above these key support resistance areas to be more confident about long or short positions. Currently it's sort of stuck in this no man's land, so let's just wait and see where it goes before we take any further action. I'll give you an update once it does break more convincingly either way. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video, also some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends if the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and if you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.